Okay, just wanted to go over the reason why some GoPro stuff is more expensive than the non-GoPro or the fake GoPro accessories. Right here we have one called Same Top, and it's virtually identical to this GoPro version here. Okay, but there's a pretty significant difference in the way these clamp, and I'll go over that in just a minute. Okay, so both of them are clamped tightly to this top, and when you move this, that's the GoPro. Now watch what happens when you move this one. It wants to slide right off. Okay, the reason this is happening, this GoPro clamp is made out of rubber inside here. You got rubber here, and you've got rubber right there. This is all rubberized. Even this handle is rubber. Okay, so this is going to clamp onto any object much better than a product that's made from plastic. This is plastic. This is plastic. This handle is plastic. That doesn't matter. The gripping power has no difference on the gripping power. But this piece right here is also plastic. So there is no way that this thing is going to actually grip and hang on to something as well as this GoPro version. So just to try to get it to slide across, is very easy on this version because it's made of plastic. You cannot slide this one across. This will not slide across. This will eventually come loose. And that is why this product is only 16 bucks or 13 bucks or whatever. And this one is, realistically, this one's 30 bucks, but GoPro shows it for $50. This is a better product. It'll hang on to anything much better. The clamping power is exactly the same. These are exactly the same. This one's shorter. This one has got a nice rubberized grip. Feels a little bit better. This is all plastic. The biggest issue is right here. This and this. This is all plastic in here, and this will not hold anything as tightly as this one will, even though the clamping power is probably exactly the same. I don't see any difference in these two, but this is your better grip.